Go where? Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. This is Mr. Basketball coming to you live. Today. I had a question being asked today. They asked me, in the Olympics, do I feel that certain people need to play while injured? I do think people should play injured, but if they are going to defer to their team, then no, because then they're not creating an asset on their team. They're creating a problem. And not trying to say that they're not trying their hardest, but usually, and I mean severe injuries, usually you do not produce at a high level, so I do think not. You should not play for your country, no matter under any condition, if you are injured, especially in the nature of basketball, because you are imagining yourself moving 100 miles a minute. Next thing you know, you have a certain cramp that's only allowing you to move 60 miles a minute, and everybody else is moving by you. And if traffic is moving by you, then you're moving too daggone slow, and trust me, you do not want to be embarrassed, especially on an Olympic global event. Trust me, it's not a pretty sight. And people in the United States do appreciate that Olympic team that is out there right now putting their hard-earned money and effort in trying to win us a championship, which is a gold medal. And I have to change that because the other day I said a gold ring, which was absolutely embarrassing. But other than that, I have been watching the Olympics, and it seems okay, and we seem to be doing quite fine. But I also been watching the Summer League, and it's not very impressive. I did watch Golden State, who just put a whooping on the Lakers' supposed team. I mean, I see why they want Dwight Howard. They have no talent whatsoever in that draft lottery they just picked up on. And Golden State is looking like they're moving forward, but I still think they are a liability defensively. We have to hope Andrew Bogut stays healthy, my friend. Oh yes, I know about you very well. And I am glad to say today was a beautiful, beautiful day. And I hope everyone's enjoying it. And I hope everyone's enjoying the Olympics. And if you have any questions, just come and ask me at Mr. Basketball. I'm here for you, people. I'm here for you. Give me a call or give me a text. Ching.